Fanatics. They're not our buddies at all. They have the exclusive for NFL jerseys and stuff. So they have been hit with some quality control issues, like passing out jerseys that are either wrong or they're just printed miserably. Here's a $130 jersey with a number 5 on it. I don't know what team that is. $130 though, and look at that crappy job. Where's this other one? There was one where the letters are just crazy crooked. The number 17 for somebody named Waddell. I don't know what team. 17 on the back, 17 on the shoulders. And on the front, it's 1-1 and then 1 down below. 11 over 1. Like, I can't imagine what somebody was thinking when they made that. These problems are drawing attention in the sports merchandising realm, highlighting the importance of quality control. No kidding, Chad. So the CEO, of course, has gone online and said he's sorry and all this kind of stuff, and he's going to reach out to everybody. You know, people started ordering these in June or July, and they're just now getting them, and they're all screwed up, and it's been months. And now here we are 3 or 4 weeks almost into the season. I mean, it's crazy. And now these people have money invested, $200, $150 for a jersey. It's like Seinfeld says, you're always rooting for the laundry, but man, you want the laundry to be right. You know, and this is not the first time. Past incidents of quality control lapses have occurred, underscoring the importance of consistent quality for brand trust. And you know what? It's not just brand. I mean, people aren't mad just at Fanatics. They're mad at the Eagles because that's the one with the bad jersey. They don't know. They know, but they don't really know. They don't think that the Eagles have anything to do with it. But I'll tell you what, you want to align yourself with somebody like Fanatics, you're causing problems. Don't do it. Here's another one. Here's your takeaway. In times of a marketing mishap, this is more than a mishap, dude. People are getting screwed over. And these people that buy these jerseys can't afford these kind of things. Times of marketing mishap, act swiftly and transparently to resolve the issue. And creatively explore how such setbacks could be spun into unique selling propositions for your brand. The only positive, maybe positive thing, these people can take these jerseys and sell them on eBay, flip them on eBay as collectibles. That's the only potential upside I see that might happen. So